So let me share with you yung PowerPoint na ginawa ko. Okay, so I have something to share. Okay. Okay, so very quick session lang to. Okay, so if you are watching live or watching it on replay, so please do share this FB live session kasi na-miss ko talaga ang mag-session dito sa PAM Academy. Okay, so what is PAM Academy? It's Planning, Actions, and Mindset Academy. So I'm helping Filipinos to go back home. No, okay, so through entrepreneurship or investing like the stock market, pero talaga yung specialty ko is sa stock market, to be honest with you. Okay, kasi ito talaga yung gusto kong ginagawa on my free time. Okay, so I'm an investor and I'm also a stock trader. Okay, so nandoon tayo sa both sides, pero I'm more on medium. Okay, so medium yung strategy ko as medium term. Okay, so ibig sabihin, once I hit my target price, I will sell it, I will collect the gains. Okay, so yan yung strategy ko dito sa PAM Academy. Okay, so simple lang. Okay, so it's a very quick session. Okay, if you have watched yung previous video ko na how to buy a stock, which is MWC yung binili ko, di ba? Okay, so it's very real. Okay, so i-check mo na lang dun sa YouTube channel natin, you will see yung MWC nung binili ko siya. Okay, so eto yung price na nabili ko si MWC. Okay, so I bought it April 21. Okay, so April 21 at a stock price of 15.04. Okay, so I bought yung Metro Water Corporation, okay, na sa ganitong price. Okay, Manila Water Corporation. Okay, sorry. Okay, so 15.04. Okay, so diyan ko siya nabili sa price na yan. So it's very cheap, I would say. Okay, so I will show you why I said that it's cheap at that time. Now the price is actually it's 18.70 as of this recording or as of this FB live session. So that means actually 18.70, pero dito when I screenshot it's 18.60. Okay, so ang total gains na niya is 22%. Okay, so meaning I'm gaining more than 22%. Okay, so if you imagine, just an example, without the fees or commissions, if I put here 100,000 pesos, so that means I will have already 22,000 pesos. Okay, so again, so my strategy is when I hit the price, I will sell it. Okay, so it's still on my portfolio. And how many months na? Like I told you, I bought it last April 21. So it's kind of 2 months on my portfolio. Okay, kung tutusin, I can sell it na, but my plan actually is to have it for long term. Okay, so medyo long term. When I said long term, I want this stock for the next 3 to 5 years or more. Okay, so hindi ito pang short term na I will trade it now. Okay, so but of course, I have a target on these stocks, like more than 20 pesos. Okay, I think it can. Okay, so caveat on that, it's a forecast. Okay, now what will be the next move? Okay, of course I'm saving for buying again stocks that I'm aiming, no? Meron akong nakikitang stocks na mag-gain din for long term. Okay, to be honest, I'm a long-term investor right now. I'm not doing so much trades. Okay, so congratulations dun sa mga nagtitrade ng Ever, GMA7. Actually, yung GMA7, okay, to be honest with you, gustong-gusto ko talaga siyang bilhin, but that time, wala talaga akong buying power, so hindi ako nakapasok. Okay, so para sa akin, medyo mataas na yung price niya, okay, at this current level. No, so parang I will not buy it, to be honest. Okay, we'll see kung ano yung movement ng market. Okay, then this is my strategy. Okay, so again, this one is for midterm. Okay, so of course, I have a session with the fundamental analysis, but this time, I'm sharing with you is yung midterm strategy ko. So, pick stocks with volume. Okay, so kailangan mong magtingin ng stocks na meron talagang volume. Okay, and then you plan your gains and loss. Okay, so ano dapat yung target price mo or target gains mo sa isang stock? Dapat ganon. Okay, sa loss naman, of course, you need to plan it as well. What if the stock goes down by 5%? So that means, yung ba yung loss na kaya kong i-take, then I will sell it? Or 10% loss na ba? Yung ba yung gagawin ko to release my stocks or sell stock and buy another one? Okay, so kailangan mong iplano, and then what is your timeline? Okay, kailangan meron kang timeline ng stock. Okay, so kagaya ko, like what I told you, no? So 2 months na sa portfolio ko yung MWC, but I'm not planning to sell it kasi I have my own timeline. So I said like 2 to 3 years to 5 years. Okay, so probably we are not in pandemic anymore during that time. So what will happen is the value of MWC will really grows, and then so the stock price will follow, and I will hit my target gains or my target price. Okay? So, ganyan, very simple lang yung strategy ko for midterm. Again, caveat, hindi lahat ng ginagawa ko will be applicable to you. Okay? So, you need to find your own way or your own strategy in investing or trading in the stock market. Okay? So, of course, I want also to share with you on how to research. Okay? It's very important to know yung stock na bibilhin mo is you know the background or you know what are the plans of those managing the company. Okay? So ano yung plano ng management for that company? Okay? Like for example, this is the way I do research. Okay? So para mapakita ko sa iyo how I do research. Okay? So nasa pill stocks tayo actually. If you have Call Financial, so it's also they have their own research. Okay, so ito yung ginagawa ko. Okay, pill stocks tayo. Okay, let me just extend this. Okay. So research, click here, research. Okay? Nandito lahat ng overview nila ng market and daily notes. Okay? So makikita mo diyan, no, ano yung dito is Greenery, okay, i-trade daw siya. Ang target price nila is 4.8. Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company report, okay, ito yun, nire-recommend nila buy Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company. So, ang target price is 57.98. Holding period 9 to 12 months. Okay, so, ngayon, ang potential upside daw is 18.32%. Again, no, these are their recommendations. It doesn't necessarily mean you follow it. Okay? So for your own research, tumingin ka, mag-compare ka with other brokers. Ano ba yung research nila regarding this specific stock? Okay? Pwede mo rin lang i-click dito, okay? MWC. Okay? Like for example, search for that. You will see all the notes or the daily updates that they are doing for that specific stock. So makikita mo siya dyan. Okay, that is for pill stocks. Okay, so dalawa kasi yung ginagamit kong account. Isa is pill stocks for my midterm and sometimes I use for trading as well. But of course, you don't mix your account for trading and account for investing. And then, ito naman sa Call Financial, meron din silang research. Okay? So, binili ko siya, di ba, April 21. Okay? So, eto actually is, merong report dito. Okay? Ng April 19. May 19 actually. Pero April 21 ko siya binili. So, probably ang binasa ko dito is itong research na to ng April 5. Okay? So, here, merong report about MWC here. Signs revised water contract with the government. Okay, so ibig sabihin, merong chance na tumaas ang stock price talaga ni MWC kasi merong possible good news. And actually, so what happened is, okay, so basahin natin. Ipakita ko lang sa'yo. Ito yan, signs revised water contract with the government. So ibig sabihin, no, nagkaroon ng changes. It could be positive or it could be negative. It could be favorable or unfavorable with the company. Okay? Pero from here, key features that they said, removal of the corporate income taxes and adjustment of foreign currency differential. So ibig sabihin, it's beneficial. Okay? So I'm researching by my own. Okay? So inisip ko, okay, yeah, this is true, no? This will be favorable, so I will buy it. Okay? And then what happened later? Okay? Eto, Mr. Rason takes lead of MWC. Okay, so ibig sabihin, si Mr. Enrique Rason now has 51% voting interest. Okay, sa MWC. Okay, so ibig sabihin, gaganda rin yung patakbo sa MWC for the next years to come. Okay, pero let's see, ano yung rating na binigay ni Cole? Hold yung rating niya. Ang fair value estimate niya is 18.5. Ngayon, 18.7 na siya. Okay? Pero during that time, ang price is around 15. Okay? So bakit I go against with their recommendation to hold? Instead, I bought it. Okay? So that is what I mean by you do your own strategy. You just don't follow blindly your recommendations ng mga stockbrokers and you compare. Okay? You compare what is the recommendation of Call Financial, what is the recommendation of PhilStocks, what is the recommendation of First Metrosec. So that is the way you do your own research. Para you don't need to blame Call Financial, you don't need to blame PhilStocks, but you need to blame yourself. Now I'm blaming myself for the 22% gains. Okay? What I mean is, so it's good, right? Okay? So makikita mo kung paano mo talaga i-manage your own portfolio. So you are doing like you are the own fund manager. You are your own fund manager in your stocks portfolio. Okay? So what else? Okay? Meron din ang Call Financial kasi meron silang technical guide. Ito yon. I like this one, promise. Okay, so malaki yung maitutulong nito. Makikita mo yung 52-week high and 52-week low. Okay, so tingnan natin yung MWC. Nakita mo, Manila Water Company. Okay, so dito is, ang high niya 18.60. 52-week high. Actually, 18.70 na siya. Diba? So, kung titingnan natin yan, dito, ano na yung price niya? Okay, 18.70 na. So, that means, nalampasan ko na rin yung 50-week high niya. Okay, ang 52-week high niya na 18.70, okay, kung tutuusin, dahil sa ay binili ko ng how much? 15.04. So, 22% gains in my portfolio. Okay, so makikita mo, but I'm holding it. I'm not selling it. Kasi nandiyan pa yung momentum. Okay? And of course, I can sell it like what I told you. But if I want to have it as long term, then it's better. Okay? So makakatulong din tong technical guide nila. You can look here what is the up or down. Okay? Maghanap ka ng stocks na gusto mo. And then, from that, you make your decision. Okay? So JFC here, 188. Yung medium niya, ang high is 223, ang low is 124. So bumaba talaga pagkatapos biglang tumaas. Okay, so it's good. Okay, so makakatulong po to. Okay, so dito let's see MM. Okay, 51% down from that 52-week high. No, nag 18.56 pero ang low niya is 1.97. Ang current price is 4.18. Okay, so ano yung possible strategy dyan? So you need to research. Okay? So, this is the way you do it. Again, balikan ko lang. Okay, yung strategy natin, what I'm sharing. Okay, kasi now you know how to do your own research. So then, pick stocks with volume, plan your gains and losses, and then your timeline. Okay, so I hope you learned something in this session, how to do your research, how to plan your gains and loss, and then what will be your timeline. Okay, para hindi ka masunog. Okay, so this is one reason na maraming nalulugi sa stock market is because they don't know what they are doing. They are following blindly with the recommendations of so many gurus out there. Okay, I'm not a guru. Okay, I don't recommend you to follow me no, yung mga stock recommendation ko, but I think it could be helpful yung way ng knowledge on how to do your own research. Okay? So again, spreading entrepreneurial spirits to help Filipino achieve their dreams and aspiration in life. So Jonathan Ruiz po, ako po ang inyong PAM Academy vlogger. So maraming salamat and may God bless you all.